Greetings to our valued customers. In this video, Anypack Packing Machinery is proud to introduce to you our automatic carton sealing machine model GPC-50. This model is designed for automatic flap folding and dual-sided top and bottom carton sealing, built with dual rigid columns that ensure excellent stability during operation. The flap folding mechanism allows the machine to seal the box in a row or to seal the top separately when required. It is equipped with a wear-resistant PVC conveyor belt imported from Italy, renowned for its thickness and durability. The independent electrical cabinet features simple start and stop push buttons, ensuring easy, safe, and convenient operation. The hand wheel adjustment system allows quick changes to accommodate various carton sizes, giving you maximum flexibility. With a sealing speed of up to 600 cartons per hour, the machine delivers consistent performance, producing strong, neat, and long-lasting seals. This is truly an ideal choice for packing lines in FDI factories from Japan, Korea, Europe, and the United States, operating in Vietnam. For customers who are exploring or in need of packing solutions, packing machines, or packing materials, please feel free to contact Anypack for consultation and support. Hotline +84 369 234 322. Website www.anypack.vn. Email anypack.vn@gmail.com. Thank you very much for your trust and support.